This one, this one, this one right here goes to the one right here. This one goes to this one. This one goes to the bottom one. And this one goes to the furthest one over here. Okay guys, so what I'm doing here today is I am installing a, I hope this quality comes out at least alright. I'm replacing my distributor. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I do that. So what you want to do is on the top of, or next to the top side of the distributor, there's a circle. You want to make a mark in the middle of there going straight out, so you can try to keep the ignition timing as close as possible. I mean, might as well. You're going to need, I believe it's a 14mm socket, and there's 3 bolts. Actually, I'm sorry, that's a 12. It's a 12. Ooh, yeah, those had to get broke. My boy had that thing tight. So there's a bolt at the top. There's another one over here. I don't know if you can see, but right over here at the bottom side of the distributor. Right here. There's a bolt, and then there's another one back here. It's right there. You'll be able to see all 3 of them. Yeah, there's 3 bolts in total. You can break all of them loose, and then start to remove it. Get to removing it. This one might actually be a pain to get to. There's a lot of wiring in the way for me. I don't know, your engine bay might be a bit cleaner than mine, but this is all stock, bro. That's pretty cool how they have the VTEC brand. Anybody can do that. Yeah, just like that. You already know what's up. I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all some extra things. So this wire right here, this is for the G16Y8, which does has VTEC, so it has a wired VTEC solenoid. So what you're going to do is you're just gonna unclip it. How you do it, you just push this little plastic piece back right here, and then you can easily just lift it up. Don't just break the clip by pulling it off. Then what you're going to do is you're going to disconnect this cable or whatever. Oh man, that's a lot. So yeah. Also remember the I don't even know what this is called, but the ignition system placement. I don't know, for the spark plugs. Oh man. Also make sure that you disconnect your negative reciprocal on your battery. You didn't see that. Today guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to install a distributor. I'm not sure how well you guys can see, but that should be good enough for you guys. So basically, with the old distributor, you want to mark it so you can know about where the ignition timing is, because you don't want that to be too far off. You also make a mark right here on the top in the center of that. So that's how you do that. Yeah, I got these bolts in there, just hand tighten. I only have 2 bolts. There's 3 though. There's 1, 2, 3. Show you guys how to install this. Starting to think my fuel injectors don't work. Because I ran a couple of tests and it just wasn't, you know, passing them. So. So what you're going to do is you're going to look inside and then you'll see where this keyhole goes, this key, because it won't go in unless it's in there, right? And you install it with the like cord towards the back. So yeah, I'm just putting that up in the thing. So yeah, you look where it is, you rotate the thing, you just wiggle it on. You can really just wiggle it on there, but it won't go on unless it's the right way. Yep, and that's on. And so remember what I was talking about earlier, how you make a mark on the oil gun so you can keep the ignition timing. So that's what you're going to do. You're going to look at the mark. You're going to see how far down that is. That's like, look at it, just look at it. So we're going to adjust it real quick and then we're going to put the first bolt in there. I'm sorry if you guys can't see. So yeah, as I said, just keep it like near you so you can just have a reference point. Just keep looking back at that mark and try to make a good estimate of how far you should have it like adjusted. Don't tighten it all the way down. You might need some wiggle room. You just put the bolt that's down here. I hope I can actually do this video in one take. If I had the third bolt, then it would go right here at the back. Yeah, if you can't hand thread it all the way down, and make sure you keep your washer on there. All right, I'm going to get my ratchet real quick. Only take a second. I mean, this is, I believe, I hope this is a 12. It's probably a 10. I mean, not, I hope this is, yeah, it's a 12. Okay. Okay, so what you're going to need is a 12mm socket and whatever wrench drive that you want. And we're going to tighten this down to about, I'll probably say nothing more than 30 pounds, but that probably will cross thread or like strip I mean. But yeah, I'm only going to go like 15, but I'm just going to snug it down really. Make sure it's on there good. You don't want this thing coming off. Go back to this one. Have it on there good. Don't tighten these down too hard. This is aluminum. You will strip this aluminum. You will. But anyways, that's how you install a distributor for a 1996 to 2000 Honda Civic. Yeah.